Hello, it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. Our host this month is Kathy, and she put together this mood board as an inspiration piece. And we are also following, or some of us are following, the 4 for 4 series put on by Janet over at RTS Scrapbooking. It's a quick way to make easy layout. All right, I'm going to pause the video, create my layout, and come back. All right, here is my finished layout. I used the French vanilla cardstock from Close to My Heart as my foundation layer. I took my two cuts that were 11 by 5 1/4. One I think was 5 by 10. And when I butt them up together, it was too much of a gap. It wasn't even all the way around, and I wanted an even look. It's okay to not have that even look, but for this layout, that's what I was going for or feeling at the moment. So I took that Bluebell glitter paper from Close to My Heart and put that strip in the middle, which was cut 12 by 1 1/2 originally, and of course you can tell I cut it down. I butted it up against this paper and let it hang over on this side because it's heavily embellished over here to the right side. Within the paper cuts that I was supposed to use for layout number 2, I had this thin strip here, which was the opposite side, which gave it a great balance. Your eye doesn't fall off the page because my little cluster here in the lower right hand corner really blends into the background paper. So to break that up, that's why I put that strip there. And not only that, I used my paper cuts. And this pattern paper, if I didn't already say it, is the opposite side of this. And yes, it is okay once in a while when you only have male figures in your layout to use flower pattern paper as your background. Okay, so don't be afraid. Then I took my finger and I just roughed up the edges and made these corners kind of wonky round just to give a different look, to give some dimension to this layout, some character to this layout. We'll start here in the upper left hand corner and work down. I finally used a little bit of my glitter chipboard pieces, and my main title is Bah Humbug, Please Smile, and that's because my oldest son back in 2003, he was giving me a hard time because I was giving him a hard time about these, I called them parachute sweatpants. They were huge, probably 5 times too large for him. But anyway, so he decided he would purposely look away from me taking snapping photographs. In my kit, instead of selecting a bunch of different embellishments, I chose, when I put this kit together, to just grab 2 of my miscellaneous embellishment boxes, which were blue and brown, and for this layout I stuck with my blues. So that's where all my embellishments came from, was out of this box. Also, let's go back to the title. So it was kind of bare up here, so that's why I added the word phrase, document good times, bah humbug, please smile. I thought that all tied together perfectly. All right, so from my blue box, I have this frame, paper frame die cut, the word family, and then this is from, I don't know where that one came from. I think that is from like an Echo Park line, possibly. I know this one is from Pink Fresh Studio, and I think that collection was called the Blog Collection. I'm not really sure. And so it says attitude changes everything. So I've put family, attitude changes everything, which is true. I have this little bow here, and then these puffy hearts, and I'm pretty sure those are an old Felicity Jane, because I haven't subscribed to Felicity Jane for probably 5 years. But once in a while, when they have their sales, I will go pick up die packs. and because I love her die packs. All right. And, oh, and then there's a heart right here. And then I have the camera right here. And then, like I said, this snowflake blends in with the back of the pattern paper. I have a star right here, another tab right here. Then I wanted to bring in more of that blue. And I knew this blue, I'm going to show you, which is not really a blue. I think it's a purple. Let me see. Yes. So this is called periwinkle blue. No, it's a periwinkle blue. It kind of reads purple. I knew this would be perfect here, to go with this pattern paper. So I started adding the splatters and forgot that this pattern paper that I am using, this is one of those ones that has a glossy finish. So I have some rings. Normally I do not normally, I've never gotten rings using the Dilution Shimmer Spray. However, you will get rings no matter what ink you'll use on glossy paper. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to show you all the layouts I created plus the bonus layout with my leftovers. All right? And I'll be right back. Okay, here's the recap of the 5 layouts that I created using my products in my December kit and following the 4for4 series put on by Janet over at RTS Scrapbooking, her Patreon site. So this is layout number 1, posted the first Monday of the month. This would be layout number 2, posted the second Monday of the month. This is layout number 3, posted the third week of the month. And of course, this is layout number 4 that you just saw. And then my bonus layout with the scraps left over in the kit. I went a little crazy with my Heidi Swapp Color Shine in Gold. I'm okay with it. I should have forego not putting the Heidi Swapp Color Shine in Gold down here, the sprinkles, but I'm okay with it. And that is it. Come back for January 2021. I will be the host for the month of January for Mini Kit Monday. So be sure to check us out on the first Monday of January. All right, have a fabulous holiday and we will see you next time. Bye.